Welcome to the top best. The best Tide detergent is probably one of the most recognizable names in the laundry world, and for good reason. It's a powerhouse when it comes to tackling tough stains and keeping your clothes looking fresh. But with so many options on the market, how do you know if Tide is the right choice for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Tide, exploring its strengths, weaknesses, and everything in between. Number 5. Tide Original Liquid Laundry Detergent, 64 loads. This is America's favorite detergent. It provides a deep clean and leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean. This liquid detergent cleans deep, removing dirt and grime. It leaves your laundry with a fresh scent that you'll love. It not only cleans and freshens your clothes, but also helps to whiten and brighten them. It's a complete laundry solution. Simply measure with the cap provided. Add the detergent to your washing machine's dispenser, then add your clothes and start the wash cycle. Enjoy the classic, original scent you know and love. This detergent will leave your clothes smelling fresh and clean. What we like? This detergent provides a deep clean and leaves your clothes smelling fresh. It's easy to use with clear instructions on the cap. If you like the classic, clean scent and want a reliable detergent for everyday use, you should consider this. What people say. Tide removes dirt, sweat, and everyday messes with ease. The scent is clean, fresh, and long-lasting without being overpowering. Tide is gentle but effective on everything I wash. Number 4. Tide Mountain Spring Laundry Detergent, 68 loads. Introducing Tide Mountain Spring Laundry Detergent. This powerful detergent is designed to tackle tough stains and leave your clothes smelling fresh and clean. With just 2 scoops of Tide, you get the cleaning power of 10 scoops of other detergents with Oxy. It's a concentrated formula that goes a long way. Don't worry about those stubborn, set-in stains. This detergent attacks even 7-day-old stains, ensuring your clothes come out looking their best. The ActiLift crystals in Tide help lift away dirt and grime, leaving your clothes looking brighter and more vibrant. It's like a spa day for your laundry. This detergent uses E-Turbo technology, giving you more cleaning power in the quick cycle compared to the next leading detergent in the normal cycle. It's efficient and effective. Specially designed for regular and high-efficiency machines, Tide is the #1 recommended detergent by washing machine manufacturers. You can trust it to care for your machines and your clothes. What we like? This powder detergent is designed to tackle even the toughest, set-in stains. It uses E-Turbo technology for more cleaning power in quick cycles. If you have a busy lifestyle and need a detergent that can handle old stains efficiently, you should consider this. What people say. Tide has consistently delivered outstanding cleaning results. Tide is tough on stains. Tide is a reliable choice for keeping clothes clean. Number 3. Tide Hygienic Clean 10X Laundry Detergent, Original. This innovative liquid detergent uses advanced technology to penetrate deep into fabric fibers. It effectively lifts away hidden dirt and grime, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. With 10 concentrated cleaning actives, it tackles both visible and invisible stains. This detergent is designed to deliver a powerful clean, ensuring your laundry is truly hygienic. Get a deep, hygienic clean, even on tough stains. It works hard to remove stubborn marks, ensuring your clothes are thoroughly cleaned and refreshed. This detergent is compatible with all washing machines and water conditions. Whether you have a standard or HE machine, it will deliver outstanding results. Enjoy the classic original scent you love. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean, providing a pleasant fragrance after every wash. For even more cleaning power, try Tide Power Pods. They provide 50% more cleaning power compared to the original liquid detergent, for an even deeper clean. What we like? This detergent uses innovative technology to get deep between the fibers and clean hidden dirt. It is designed with 10 concentrated cleaning actives to remove visible and invisible dirt. If you are looking for a detergent that provides a deep, hygienic clean, especially for tough stains, you should consider this. What people say. Everything from whites to colors to delicate fabrics retain their bright colors and there is no damage to delicates. For whatever reason, nothing beats Tide and the Tide Stain Remover Stick for stains. I think they use some enzyme formula that really seems to work. He washers don't always get everything fresh smelling, but this does the trick. Good for sweaty workout gear, stinky kids' clothes, and everything in between. Number 2. Tide Free and Gentle Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing a detergent that delivers a deep clean while being gentle on your skin. It removes more stains than the leading free detergent. You can trust it to get the job done. This product is trusted by experts. It's NEA, EPA Safer Choice, and NPF certified. This means it meets high standards for safety and effectiveness. This laundry detergent is hypoallergenic. It's made without irritating residues, perfumes, or dyes. It's designed to be gentle on sensitive skin. It's a 3-in-1 laundry solution. It's scent-free, hypoallergenic, and a powerful stain remover. This makes laundry day easier and more effective. It works on 100% of common stains. It's also safe to use on all your washable fabrics. This ensures your clothes come out clean and fresh. This detergent offers exceptional cleaning in all washing machines and water conditions. It even works well in cold water. This makes it convenient for any laundry routine. What we like. This detergent is specifically designed to be gentle on sensitive skin. It is hypoallergenic and free of dyes and perfumes. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a detergent that is gentle and effective, you should consider this. What people say. Tide has been my go-to laundry detergent for years, and it never disappoints. It consistently delivers fresh, clean clothes, no matter how tough the stains are. It's gentle enough on fabrics to keep them looking new, yet powerful enough to tackle stubborn stains on the first wash. Tide Free and Gentle does what it's supposed to. No leftover residue, dissolves easily, leaves you feeling like nothing was used. Different options of how you want your detergent to come out. Not much product is needed for different load sizes and no skin irritation as far as I've seen. Number 1. Tide Ultra Oxy Boost Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Ultra Oxy Boost. This detergent is designed to tackle tough stains with its advanced formula. It helps to lift away even the most stubborn marks, leaving your clothes looking their best. Tide Ultra Oxy Boost features a concentrated formula. This means more cleaning power in every drop, so you can use less and still get great results. It's designed to be efficient and effective. Say goodbye to lingering odors with Tide Ultra Oxy Boost. It's specially formulated to eliminate smells from your clothes and activewear. This leaves your laundry smelling fresh and clean. Choose Tide, America's trusted detergent brand. This product is a reliable choice for your laundry needs. You can trust it to deliver exceptional cleaning performance, wash after wash. Tide Ultra Oxy Boost is compatible with both top-load and front-load high-efficiency machines. It's designed to work efficiently in all types of washers. This makes it a versatile choice for any household. What we like. This detergent has a concentrated formula with extra oxy power for advanced stain removal. It also helps remove odors from clothes and activewear. If you have activewear or deal with tough stains, you should consider this. What people say. This Tide really gets clothes clean, even tough stains. The Oxy Boost makes whites brighter and colors fresh, and it leaves laundry smelling great. Tide Ultra Oxy is a game changer for tough stains. It easily removes dirt, grease, and mystery marks from clothes in just one wash. The scent is fresh without being overwhelming, and a little goes a long way. This bottle really does last for over 90 loads. Plus, it's compatible with my washer, which is a big plus. Removes stubborn stains such as grease, sweat, and food from the first wash. It has a fresh aroma that is not too strong and leaves the clothes clean and smelling good. It works perfectly with both cold and hot water, and I don't need to pre-treat clothes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.